Turning the engine, 12J551. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor without any damage. Same as well like alternative. And on this side, everything nice, as you can see. Put this one on the starter without any damage. Same as well like a gearbox. Everything's good. And on this side, you don't see any damage. Engine's turbo, looking good. Turbo turn. On the top, plastics cover look nice. And on the bottom, all some without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, 12J551.